Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to make paper cutter, and so let's begin. So first over here I'm using a popsicle stick and paint it in any color you like. Now take a sharpener, you can use any sharpener, and remove up its blade. Now let's take our popsicle sticks and glue the blade on it. And yeah, our cutter is ready. Now let's test it. So over here I have a paper and let's cut it down. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to our channel. And for now, bye.